What's up everyone, Mike the Investor. Now, is it too late to buy SAMO? And for those that don't know, SAMO runs on the Solana blockchain. Now, I've been talking about SAMO for about a year now, and I want to show you a couple of things from some previous videos I put out to help put things into context and to let you know I was trying to put you in position and to also help answer the question, is it too late to buy SAMO? Now, the easy answer is no, but I'm going to share with you through this video why I don't think it's too late. So let's dive into the very first video that I put out on SAMO, which was about 11 to 12 months ago. All right, so as you can see, the title says the Solana meme token could 100x next cycle. And I was going off of the current price of where we were in this video around this price target. All right, so be sure to keep that into context. Now, as you can see, this came out 11 months ago, basically almost a year ago, right? So I'm gonna blow this up a little bit and just listen to what I have to say here. All right, so hold that, stick with me here. So we can see where the current price is now, a little bit under half a penny, right? And of course, this is not financial advice, but again, you guys got to know, I'm telling you guys something I believe in. I'm telling you, I think this is a good time for a good entry. Now, I also said, could the price drop a little lower? Could it? It could, and it actually did. So for people that actually waited a little bit, some of those people actually bought even lower. So let me show you. In this video, I'll talk about how much SAMO should you hold, right? And to give you a brief context of this video, before I play a few seconds of it, I said you want to get anywhere from 100,000 minimum to 1 million tokens plus, right? Now, 1 million tokens is the ticket. That's what you really want to have. However, it does take a little bit more capital to get that 1 million tokens, right? So listen to what I'm saying. I will catch you all next week.